In the next chapter, let's talk about some of the basic principles and the cross-innovations which we put for you into Business by Design. We've already looked at the demo where you saw how the user interface looks at the moment. And I tried to show you what is the principle behind the simplification of the user interface, the pattern-based model. We want to talk about how you can adjust the solution to the specific requirements that you have, and then talk a little bit about how do you use the business transparency that we built in. So you saw in the demo that the user interface is highly consistent, and therefore we motivate everybody to familiarize yourselves with the navigational pattern in the Getting Started document available in the Help Center of Business by Design on the right side. If you click on here the question mark, you will find all of the documents which explain to you how to use the user interface of Business by Design. Built-in help and learning was one of the key topics for Business by Design, because the typical mid-market companies will not come to SAP training centers and spend weeks there. They expect that they have really good and solid documentation available in the system, but also learning content. The differences between the two scenarios is, for documentation, it is, I have a question, I want an answer, and I have a span of attention of 3 minutes. Learning content is rather, I want to learn a certain behavior, and I know that this will take me half an hour, so guide me now through the learning process. Therefore, we built both into Business by Design available for our customers. We made it obviously user-specific, because not everybody needs to learn everything. The key user needs to know some additional things that the end users don't necessarily need to know. We built in a lot of self-services into Business by Design. The most popular self-service obviously is request vacation, but you can also do things like change your private data in Business by Design, maintain your bank information, and other topics which every user needs on a day-to-day basis.